Hey, to pair your Galaxy Buds FE with any Android device, first of all, just remember to input both earbuds inside the case and charge them for like 5 or 10 minutes. Next, you will have to open this case and keep it open, and on your device, you will have to basically go to the Bluetooth, simply turn it off and on, so perform the soft reset of the Bluetooth, and then click to pair new device. Now from this available devices list, you will have to select Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, and accept the pairing request. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and if you wonder if you can actually pair these earbuds with the Samsung application, yes, you can do this, but only when you are using this Samsung phone. On other phones, like in my case, that's the Google phone, you cannot do this, but on the Play Store, you will actually find the Galaxy Buds Manager and the Galaxy Buds FE Manager. So you'll have to get these two apps on your Samsung phone, and you will be able to open the settings and you will use this application. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.